Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today we're taking you around this approved used Audi Q4 E-Tron S-Line Quattro 220 kilowatts. This particular model comes in the stunning Navara blue metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the 50 E-Tron, you get a 76.6 kilowatt hour battery with an estimated range of 303 miles. With the standard charger at home, you can expect a full charge in 450 minutes, and with the supercharger this can take up to 74 minutes. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners you get these 20-inch 5Y spoke alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a nice contrast to that blue metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the S-Line styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened with the button under the Audi rings on the boot lid itself. This reveals plenty of storage space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage, weekly family shop, or even just your charging cables as shown here. The interior is finished in part leather, part cloth for maximum luxury, with the rear air vents and tri-zone climate control so rear passengers can set a different temperature to those in the front. Both outer seats also come with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the futuristic looking leather multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with the S badge embossed in there at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your everyday needs and wants, with the left side the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, some mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left you'll find your cruise control and speed limiter, perfect for those longer motorway journeys, especially when you don't want to have to worry about your speed. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, and a range mode should you start worrying about your estimated range. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger be at different temperatures, or you can synchronise them if you're in the car on your own. You have full control over the direction of the air as well as the speed and recirculation. Both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. Thank you very much for watching this short video on the approved used Audi Q4 E-Tron S-Line Quattro, available at Stafford Audi in Navara Blue. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team, or simply come on down to the showroom and take a look for yourself.